Hey guys, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. We are back with another Outre unit. Today we are trying on Peak 704 in the color Deep Auburn. And guys, this video is a hair testament. So when scriptures say that what the enemy meant for evil, the Lord turned around for good, use this video and you'll see what I mean, because today I decided to try on a new hair color.
Peak 704, guys. When I tell you, this is a new wig that they just recently put out. Oh no, guys, I think I will not like this auburn color. I think I won't like this auburn color. It just looks like a dusty brown. It's dusty brown vibes. I don't think I'll like this color. I should have gotten this wig in the usual black color. So this is the wig. This is the wig. I should have just stuck to the usual. I wanted to be fancy and try different colors. But this just looks like a dusty brown to me. I should have just gotten... the black. Because I don't think this is gonna give. I don't think this is gonna give the way I want it to give. Oh, my hands are so cold, I can't even feel the texture. If it was, guys, imagine if this was black, but I wanted to go and do the auburn. I think I wanted to see how I looked in like gingerish kind of hair. But let's cut the lace and then we're gonna decide. This is the Widow's Peak Action. So I think it definitely would have been more of a vibe if it was black. Or if it was like the black and blonde that I usually do. The Widow's Peak, which I did not glue down yet. Or I didn't hairspray down. If it was the black and blonde that I usually do, I think I would be more comfortable with it. It's a new color, and so the combination of it being a new color and it being like bigger. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let's see how it looks as a middle part.
And as you can see, most of this video is me not liking this hair color, but now that I'm sitting down to edit and I'm rewatching the video, I will say, your girl looks good. I'm sitting here staring at myself like, I don't know if I like this hair color. And that's part of the thing when it comes to trying on new hair colors. You never know what's gonna look good and what's not gonna look good. And so, you know, sometimes as a girl, you just gotta stare at yourself in the mirror for a good 50 minutes. And try to see yourself from an outside eye to see if you objectively look good or if you only subjectively look good. But yeah, I decided to give it a try as a middle part. I switched it back to the side. And during the duration of recording this video, even at the end, I did not like it. But rewatching this back, your girl looks good. This unit looks good. And so when they say beauty's in the eye of the beholder, just know that even your eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.